In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Wrike. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so if you're new to Wrike or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a project and get it ready for your team to start working. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look for the area called Spaces on the left-hand side of your screen. Spaces are basically hubs where related work is grouped together, so you'll want to be in the space where your new project should live. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct space so you keep your work organized from the start. Within that space, find the section that lists your projects and folders. Right beside the project and folder label, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This is the button you'll use to create something new. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Wrike will open a small menu or dialog where you can choose what you want to create. In the menu that appears, make sure you're choosing to create a project, not just a folder. Projects in Wrike usually have timelines, statuses, and can be tracked more formally, so this is the right choice when you're planning actual work delivery. Next, you'll be asked to type in your project name. Click into the name field and enter a clear descriptive title. For example, instead of something vague like marketing, you might use Q3 social media campaign or website redesign phase 1. A good project name helps everyone on your team immediately understand what the project is about, and it also makes it much easier to search and filter later on. Take a moment here to follow any naming conventions your team might already be using. Once you've typed in the project name and you're happy with it, look for the Create button at the bottom of the dialog. This is the button that actually confirms and builds your new project. Click on Create. Wrike will now generate your new project inside the space you selected. From here, you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, setting due dates, and customizing any other project details your workflow requires. But the core setup is complete. You've successfully created a new project in Wrike.